Good afternoon, and welcome back to the Refreshing Point. I will be sharing with you fennel seeds, health benefits, and nutritional facts. Fennel is a flavorful aromatic herb native to the Mediterranean region, but has become widely grown in many parts of the world. Fennel seeds are the edible seeds of the fennel plant. It is a flowering plant species in the carrot family. Fennel seeds taste similar to licorice, are often used as a culinary spice, and can also be eaten or chewed raw. The seeds contain many powerful digestive benefits, and incredible benefits for infants with colic, with the most widely used species being the sweet fennel. Some of fennel's medicinal uses include relief from anemia, indigestion, flatulence, constipation, colic, diarrhea, respiratory and menstrual disorders. With a mere 20 calories in 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, this herb is widely used around the world in mouth refresheners, toothpaste, desserts, and antacids. The antioxidants in fennel seeds can help reduce cancer risk associated with free radical damage to cells and DNA. They also work alongside fiber to cleanse the colon and protect it from colon cancer. Fennel seeds are high in the antioxidant group known as flavonoids. Studies have found that flavonoids are effective combatants of free radical damage to cells in the body, a known cause of many different types of cancer. Flavonoids can also help reduce oxidative stress in the cardiovascular system and protect from neurological disease. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in fennel seeds have anti-inflammatory properties. They may be an effective treatment for arthritis. However, more research is still needed to confirm these reports. Just 100 grams of fennel seeds provides over 150% of the recommended daily value of dietary fiber. Fiber helps balance the metabolism, aids in digestion, and cleanses the colon. Maintaining the recommended daily value of fiber can help prevent constipation, cleanse the body's digestive system, and aid the stomach in the formation of bile and other digestive juices. Chewing fennel seeds after meals is believed to be a great way to aid in digestion. 100 grams of fennel seeds provide 120% of the recommended daily value of calcium. Calcium is essential to maintaining healthy teeth and bones, and may also provide cardiovascular support. In addition, 100 grams of fennel seeds provide 100% of the daily recommended value of iron. Iron is essential for muscle function, brain function, and the formation of hemoglobin. Iron deficiency can lead to severe body fatigue and conditions such as anemia. Some reports claim that chewing fennel seed may help to reduce the symptoms of asthma, clear sinuses, and stabilize breathing. More research is needed to confirm the connection between fennel and healthy breathing. Fennel seeds have been used as a spice for a long time, but they are more than just adding fragrance to food. They offer plenty of benefits for the body too. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.